Hello, my loves. I know it has been a minute since I've recorded, but I have been so busy and I'm going to give you an update. So let's get into it. Hi guys. Okay, so I know we're not at the bookcase. I will be returning, but I wanted to do a more personalized setting to let you guys know what's been going on in my life. Where have I been? And it's all about my novel that's coming out this spring and the awesome cool updates that are going for that. So I'm just gonna start off. One of the biggest and coolest updates that I have is who's going to be developmentally editing my book. And I don't know how I landed this editor, to be honest with you. It's been a little crazy, but her name is Christine Naveen. I think I pronounced that properly, her last name. But she is amazing. She actually worked on Brandon Sanderson's Mistborn, which is a huge book. Can't believe it. She's also done The Daughter of the Pirate King duology, and she's like a hoot and a half. So I'm so excited. So she's going to be getting those. She's going to be starting her edits at the end of October, close to Halloween. I'll have them in like 3 weeks from there. So yeah, I also have Sarah Hawkins who's going to be doing my line edits, and she's so talented. I definitely recommend. I'll put her info down below. It's a YA sci-fi fantasy, like with a metaphysical twist. That's those tropes you love, subverts the tropes you hate, and there's nothing else like it. So I'm so excited to get this book out into the world. It has been like such a passion, love child of mine, and I'm so excited. And what's also so cool is that I just sent it out to beta readers, and this is the first time I've ever done that. So if you've done it, were you like super nervous? And if you haven't done it before, are you super nervous? So either way, put it down in the comments and tell me, like, does that freak you out? It freaked me out a little bit, just because like no one has really read the book, right? It's just been in here, and it's crazy. And I'm really excited though, because the team that I have for betas is amazing. They are just so talented. I couldn't be more grateful for the people who are reading for me, and I'm thrilled to have them on my team and to have them just be a part of this journey. It's so amazing and so much fun. So I'm so excited for that. If you're wondering about a release date, definitely sometime this spring if everything goes smoothly. And I'm sorry my camera keeps going in and out like that. Super annoying. Let me see if I can hop up here. But it'll be coming out this spring, and probably around the beginning of May, but that's not official, so don't quote me if that doesn't happen. You know how things go in publishing. And then I'm also going to be starting a publishing company. It's not official in the LLC yet, so I'm not going to give the name away, but I'm going to be having my own publishing house, starting that business. It's amazing. I think just for now, I'm going to be publishing my own books, but I may do others in the future. Who knows? Maybe doing editing in the future too, because I just love to edit. But I'm focusing on my own books right now, and the future, who knows what's going to happen there. But I'm so excited. And if you guys are just like, oh my God, Arabella, I need to read something of yours right now, you're in luck. And it's the perfect time because it's a spooky novella just in time for spooky season, which if you know me at all, I'm all about Halloween. If you can see, it is literally September 21st, and y'all, that shit's been up for like a week. But I've been so busy, I haven't even gotten to all my other crap that I've got out, so I need to finish decorating my house, do the outside of my house, and I'm so excited. But anyway, you want to read some of my work right now, you can get this novella for free. It's called The Isle of Darkness. And have you ever like watched one of those shows or read a story where someone's stuck on like a creepy island, and like, are they insane? Why are they stuck there? Is there something about the island? Is there something wrong with the island? And that's sort of the vibe that this Isle of Darkness story has, but it involves a girl who's a 14th century witch, and she gets shoved onto this island called Poveglia Island, and she thinks she's been discovered and she's in a lot of trouble, but she realizes that no, she's on Poveglia Island. That's where those who have suffered the Black Death go to die. And what's super creepy and eerie about this story is that Poveglia Island is a real island. Back during the 14th century, during the Black Plague, they sent people to this island to basically die, and it is notoriously freaking haunted. IRL, super haunted, it's insane. So if you wanted to get this spooky read, you can get it for free just by joining the email list. It's also going to be linked down below. I think you'll really love it. Those who have read it have loved it. It's spooky, it's got ghosts, it's got demons, it's got witches, it's got that like spooky insane asylum vibe, even though it's like more of a hospital, but it's a super fun read, and I hope you check it out. So that is my update for you. Now that I have a little more time and a little bit of a break in between the big edits that I'm getting, I'll be doing a little more content. So put down below what you want to see from me the most. Like, what type of advice do you want to give now that the plotting series has ended? There's lots that we can do and lots that we can talk about, and of course follow me on TikTok and Instagram, check out the blog, and I'm so glad to have you here, and I hope I see you again. All right, guys.